back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I created this beautiful look on my model. This is highlights. Highlights are simply pieces of hair that are lighter than your own hair. You can do highlights on natural hair, you can do highlights on wigs. So if you want to see how I created this beautiful look, please watch this video to the end and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you always get a notification anytime I upload a new video.
Thinking you're so bold, but I was unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you.
When mixing your bleach, you don't make it too runny. This is what your bleach should look like after mixing it.
You're nothing more than silverware. Why you calling me honey? Why you show off your money?
After plaiting the hair, I'll put in the foil and apply my bleach. I will be using 20 volume 6% to create a better blend. I do have to say that when using bleach on your hair or someone's hair, it could be quite dangerous and can melt your hair away. So please do your own research before using it.
I'm wearing gold. You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold.
This is how I plait the hair before putting in the foil. Easy and neat. It will take me about 1 hour 30 minutes to 2 hours to do a full head highlight.
You're nothing more than silverware. I'm over you, so done with you. I'm over you, so done with you. Why you wearing gold? You're nothing more than silverware. Thinking you're so bold, but I was unaware. Walk around like everything belongs to you. Talk to me like I'm a young stupid fool.
I'll be doing the middle of the hair into 3 sections. The reason is because the middle part of the hair is always larger than the back of the hair.
It's funny how my heart is wired. It doesn't make any sense to me. But who am I to question my feelings? I'm leaving you for someone else, but it's not who you might think it is. It's someone who you're already loving. I've been over this for a long time now, and I finally know where my heart is.
Now that I'm done putting in my foils, I will leave it for another 30 minutes and I will take it out, wash it, and I will show you the final results. This is my hair after the highlight. I hope you like it and I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel so you always get a notification anytime I upload a new video, and stay tuned for the part 2 of my list to Amsterdam holiday video because I'll be dropping that soon. See you beautifuls and bye.